Curious. I drew today just for reference. It's this makeup. Call the paint a snake Smoky makeup. Now painting is one and looking forward to it, and then more apprehensive. Let's try it together. Before makeup, apply 2 or 3 layers of moisturizing. Although we can't engrave this top-notch snake mustard mother. If you do, I just want to follow up and talk about the teacher's professional tutorial. I feel like the call said gum and Yuan, absolutely incompatible. The makeup effect at night is more obvious, and the foundation. Keep my whole place clean. If you choose one, it will be white. Then set the makeup a little bit on the whole face. Then there is the essence of this serpentine. This face folds and shapes. I feel this more golden light and shadow. The requirements for Hope Money are very high. And it's like this. Big brother. I feel like it's just a plate for everyone. We will match Mr. Tang's professional tutorial today. In this case, the steps are super uniform. Novice sister, your heels won't roll over either. I usually shave the beads first and then set the face shape. I will first pinch my nose with my bare hands according to this tutorial. Get some powder. Paint along. Start from the eye socket to the outer bar. So parallel to the outline. Take a look at the approximate outline now. We use a brush to add a little more and deepen. Deep dry here, is it? The back of the nose follows the shape here. Draw it. I'm more used to putting the nose. Structural point to strengthen it. A moment. I think is shadow. It's really great to talk and do. Although you hit hard, multiple stacks will not defog at first. There are those that fit our sub-shaped skin tone. You see, it's not about playing dirty at all. The whole thing is this wonderful effect. Look at my nose. It's very simple, and this skinny feeling will come out. Eye socket. Here we can also press it separately. The whole facial features will be more three-dimensional. Small places and the structure of the end of the eye. Emphasize it separately. This is some small TPS for my own makeup. Then there is the face, which is specially sold. Try Mr. Tang Ning's face covering method. First, the middle fingers are brought together to cover the face. Then take another one to block. Then we will directly repair the rest. Sweep from bottom to top. Check out the silhouette show. Also very natural. Then our country is a little bit prominent. Can also be sweep it like this from the outside in. Look at this face. Do you feel like you put it in? A very natural stretch effect. Wong always thinks it is very important. Just this matte highlight. Just use this small powder to press it. Take the powder like this. Then twist the cover on it. Then agree with the teacher. Triangular makeup lifting method should not be applied on too large an area. If your range is too large, there is no such thing as excessive light and shade. Just to highlight the nasolabial folds. I 100 million lose this punch. And the corners of our mouths. Because this is a saliva craft, the powder is really fine. You can also apply a certain makeup directly. That is, it won't get stuck. You can see it in the back seat. Take a look here, it's really full. Looks much cleaner. Then accept this place. We can come down according to our actual situation. Practice. Like my chin is thicker. I also highlight for you. Between the eyebrows, this place in the community is also very important. A sheep covers him a little. Come in and take a look. After I fix my breasts, my face feels a lot tighter. Then scrape off the eyebrows. But in this color, this empty eyebrow can't fill the gap. The eyebrows are flat. If you frown, you raise it a little bit. In the way of hair. This is an eyebrow pencil First, hit the bottom with a white eyelid. Let's use this brown one first. Give the eyelids a simple color first. Bath eyes. Big eyes are big eyes. Use this eye. The folds of the entire double eyelid press this lip wrinkle. Or come first. Paint the black capsule with false eyelashes. Eyeliner. Apply to eyeliner. So, gently. The mask is down again. Next day. I'm in pain too. Almost a day to change this shade color. Don't be afraid of being too wide today. And brightening color. Brighten up. Then come and paste the eyelashes. Then my eyeliner is relatively upturned. I just adjusted the double eyelid sticker. Mom, I still pasted this lower eyelash. This eye makeup really looks so big. Back to this plate. Let me just brighten my eyes a little bit. Why this pearl? Just a touch. A little bit. Nose. A little faster today. Just a little bit on the inside. I was very moved when I drew the video. I said that after 2 lessons, there will be a sense of smoothness at a glance. Said to give the whole makeup a little different vibe. Down in this set, the whole makeup is the kind of light and shadow that combines the virtual and the real. Sculptural sense of disaster, simple pattern. Then put on all the lip makeup. I'm pulling one of these pink and purple ones. I brought one that is light and has a pink lip glaze. Then I'll change the eyeballs first. Let's show it.